Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about why you sometimes crash into stuff when you're trying really hard not to. Spoiler, staring at the thing you want to avoid? That's how you make a crash, guaranteed. Here is me, escaping through a tight gap after the wind blew me where I didn't want to be, looking like a pro. No stress, no sweat. Actually, I did stress quite a bit. And here's me staring at this goalpost, thinking, don't hit it, don't hit it, don't hit it. And bam, straight into it. It takes more skill to hit it than to avoid it. Check this out. A soccer player tricks the goalkeeper into turning around by pointing out a bird. Then kicks the ball right against his back. Why? Because he was so focused on the keeper, he forgot to look where the ball should go. Classic look at the wrong thing fail. Before I continue with how to fix this, if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more drone tips. So here's the deal. When you focus too much on avoiding something, your brain makes you fixate on it. Like telling yourself, don't think about a pink elephant. What do you see? Pink elephants. Pink elephants aren't great drone flyers, but if you see them at a party, maybe stay off the pills. So how do you handle risks? You make a plan to avoid them. Instead of thinking this will go wrong, focus on how to prevent the issue. If I do this, I won't have this problem. Pre-flight checklists are a good example. Your brain follows what you focus on a solution, and you won't have the problem. Shift your mind from the problem to the plan. Suddenly the goalposts disappear because you're flying towards open air. Plan your flight, fly your plan. And here's the kicker. This applies to life in general too. We get caught worrying about what could go wrong and end up stuck or stressed. But if you make a plan and you focus on the plan, you're doing what you can do to prevent bad stuff from happening. That puts you in control. So, next time you're flying, or just navigating life, don't stare at the obstacle. Look where you want to go, make a plan to get there and focus on that. Watch yourself fly right through that gap. Thanks for watching. See you next flight.